Today we're going to be taking a look at the Soundcore Life P3. Before I get started, I want to thank Soundcore for sending these out for my honest review. While this product was sent to me, any opinion in this video is strictly my own. With these latest buds from Soundcore, the Life P3 comes in 5 different color options: Sky Blue, Coral Red, Oat White, Classic Black, and Navy Blue. They also come with a bunch of additional features compared to the previous Life P2. These buds feature 11mm drivers, multi-mode, noise cancellation, 6 microphones, up to 7 hours of playback on a single charge, and a total of 35 hours if you include the case. An IPX rating of 5, Bluetooth 5, wireless charging, bass up technology, and they're also supported by the Soundcore app. Now that we know the features, let's open up the box and see what's inside. We have the quick start guide, 4 additional silicone tips, a USB-C charging cable, and the charging case with the buds. The charging case features wireless charging, a spring-loaded lid for easy access. It's made of plastic and painted in navy blue, with only the battery status LED indicator on the front and the USB-C charging port on the back. Opening the lid, we have the buds along with the reset and pairing button. For the buds, they have a mix of a matte and glossy finish. On the inside of the stems, there's a magnetic contact that is used for charging and keeping the buds secure in the case. On the outside of the stem, there's the touch controls, which can be customized through the Soundcore app. Then we have the 3 microphones located on each bud. One's located at the bottom of the stem, one on the upper inside, and the one by the earpiece. To pair, if you already have the Soundcore app installed, just launch the app and select the Life series and the Life P3. Doing this will take you to your device's Bluetooth settings, where you can then add the Life P3. If you don't see the Life P3s show up in your list, just hold down the reset button for 3 seconds to throw them into pairing mode. Once you're done pairing, you can now use the buds alongside the app. Using the app, you're going to be able to check your battery levels on each bud. Select whether or not you want to have noise cancellation enabled, transparency mode enabled, or just leave it in normal mode. If you're a gamer, there's a gaming mode for low latency playback. Equalizer allows you to choose from a bunch of pre-configured sound profiles to match the listening experience that you're looking for. Or you can always choose to create your own custom sound profile. Then there's Superior Sleep, which allows you to mix different ambient sounds together to help you fall asleep quicker. Under Controls, this is where you'll go to configure all your different touch controls. Tip Fit Test confirms that your buds have a good seal in your ear, so you get the best possible listening experience. And finally, there's the Find Device feature that helps assist you in finding your lost earbud by emitting a high-pitched tone. So the Life P3 looks good and has a lot of features to take advantage of, but how well do they perform? The Life P3 are lightweight, which is great when using them for extended periods of time. With the selection of ear tips included, I was able to find the perfect fit. Not only were they snug, but they didn't add any pressure to my ears, and I never felt the need to readjust them. The Bluetooth connection was good. On a clear line of sight between my device and the earphones, I was able to get up to a distance of 93 feet before the connection broke up. When not in a direct line of sight, I was able to get up to 46 feet. In terms of latency, when using them to watch videos on my device, the audio and the video always remained in sync. According to Soundcore, with the Life P3 earbuds, you're going to be able to get 7 hours of playback. In my testing, I was able to get 7 hours and 7 minutes of playback at 80% volume with ANC off, and 5 hours and 47 minutes with ANC on and 80% volume. In terms of audio playback, I personally thought it delivered clear sound, good bass, and it didn't get muddy at high volumes. With noise cancellation, I thought it did a good job blocking out ambient noise as well as people talking. And with transparency mode, I thought it was solid, allowing me to hear my surroundings. For the microphone, as usual, I'm going to leave it up to you to decide. The first test will be in a quiet setting with no background noise, and the second test will be with people talking in the background. This is a microphone test with no background noise on the Soundcore Life P3. This is a microphone test with the Soundcore Life P3 with people talking in the background. If you're interested in purchasing or learning more about the Soundcore Life P3, I'll be dropping all the product links in the description down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.